Well, it's Tuesday, wash day this week.
Let me get this tight now. I can't see the hole. I don't know where the hole's at.
That's what they tell you all the time.
Right there, almost right there. A little over, right there.
I got it.
So the radiator hose is a little soft on the end. Then we looked at the temperature sending unit that was in there when the light come on. It's stamped 235 degrees. Temperature gauge was reading 260 when this come on, or the light come on. So we're thinking the temperature gauge may be bad, and or this is bad. Put a new water pump belt on it because it was slipping a little bit. Not one, but two GoPro cases down. That one was on the right side of the car. This one was right next to Daryn's head. He said he got blasted by a couple rocks as well. Definitely a lot of rocks at Highland. Got the tires washed already. Daryn getting dirty. Well, she's washed, stacked back in here. Radiators in it, different lower radiator hose, different fan belt. So hopefully one of them does it. New temperature sending unit. I think that's going to do it for tonight. Be back here Thursday night. Hey, if you guys like what you're seeing, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button. That really pushes that video out there for us, gets us some more views and more subscribers. We're still growing. Thank you for all of you that have become subscribers, and thank you for all of you that just watch on a weekly basis. Well, we got our first shipment of hats in. We got snapbacks, we got flex fit, small, medium, and large, extra large. Be on the website either tonight or this weekend. We will have them in the trailer with us. Well, it's Thursday night, starting to look like a race car again. Daryn's lubing the Heims. Probably going to fire her up here shortly. She's about ready to go into the trailer. That's the radiator we took out of the car from Saturday night. I'm trying to keep some of the cool air in.
I think we're good enough to rinse it out now.
Let's start this motor and then I'll rinse it out afterwards.
find out why it's doing it. And that's what I wasn't getting through to Daryn.
So we
If
just
it's a gauge, I'm fine with the gauge.
we just started it up and ran it. We left the radiator cap off. Had a thermometer in the water. Was checking the water temperature coming out of the heads with this. This was within a couple degrees of what the thermometer was reading the water. And this was all 20 to 25 degrees cooler than what the water temperature is reading in the car. It was reading 180 and we were around 160, 159. I think we found our issue. Well, all we got to do is put shocks on it and tires, and it's ready to go in the trailer. The plan is right now to race Granite City with the Lucas Oil Series tomorrow night, and then Saturday night we'll be at Highland Speedway for the Bi-State Battle Series. There is a chance of rain both nights, so we're playing that game. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Leave us a comment. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race card in the lower right-hand corner. We'll catch y'all tomorrow.